Developers, today I am going to explain about the concept of pipes. Why we are using pipes in Angular means we can translate the data directly by using these pipes. We have two types of pipes available in Angular. One is built-in pipes, another one is custom pipes. In current day I am explaining about custom pipes. Firstly, how to create custom pipe. We have one command available, that is ng generate pipe. Pipe name I am going to give you reverse. So here see one pipe folder generated. Here we have value, arguments and class name and transform method. This value, wherever this pipe we are applying, that first value we can grab here. If we have any extra data, this args will grab. So one of the example I will give. After creating this pipe, we can import this pipe folder in which component we can use that pipe, we can import there only. I'm using app.component. This is standalone component, right? So like this way we can import. Otherwise, if it is normal component, we can import app.module.ts file. So import is done. Second step is I am creating one h1. Here I am using string interpolation concept. If you did not aware on string interpolation concept, data binding I will explain in one video. I will give that link in description. You can go and watch. I am taking one variable like, share, subscribe. So this variable name I will give here. Here this is the pipe symbol, and here inside pipe decorator we have reverse name is there na. This name we can use here. So we can console value then we can run it. npm run start. Here we did one mistake. I am giving value, not variable. We can give variable here. That is why it is not loaded. Now perfect. See here URL came. Whenever we click on it, we can check in console. See here that console value came. So here I am reversing this. So reverse logic is I am taking one variable equal to empty. Colon, it is string, right? We can give type also. Then to reverse I am using condition. For loop I am repeating. In this value we will grab the data like share subscribe. Value dot length. By using this, length of that name will come until 0. I am doing reverse, right? So for condition I equal to, I am taking one variable until last value, then I less than, no, reverse, right? So greater than or equal to 0. Until 0 it will load. I minus minus, so reverse it will run. This reverse string I will take plus this value of I. Here I will remove this all. I will give any type. Here also value any only I will give. So if we did not know the type, we can give any. After this I am reversing, I am returning this reverse string. So we'll see the output. npm run start. See here, like, share, subscribe displayed in reverse order. So like this way we can modify any element data by using pipes. If you did not understand this concept, please comment me. If you like this video, please share and subscribe so that some more people will learn this concept. Thank you.